How you doing? Hi, Craig. What's up? I'm just here chilling at the beach. I'm bored. Okay. Yubi, I lost your number. My phone, the screen went blank on me. Since week I was thinking, I said, how can I get in touch with you? To meet. When is you going to meet me? Oh, Craig, I don't know. I have no idea, sir. Yes, I have the same number. I have two phones, but I have the same Jamaican number. But I lost most of my contact. Please do. So, Craig, what's going on? How's always life? Craig, really now? I had no idea you were doing that. Oh my god, I won't talk much because America don't give me much free time. You're in America now, UB? Been busy working and traveling. Okay. Go and live a life, Craig. Go and live it up. For me right now, I think, it's not everything I talk on the phone. You cannot trust the phone. But me feel like it is coming to a point where I want to go back home and try somewhere else. It's not easy over here, to be honest. It's not easy. The money is good, yeah, but the bills, like food, rent, oh my god, those are the number two killer over here. Yes, really, and you do know that. Oh my god, Greg, I don't even know what you look like. I know you are my number one supporter. I know that without a doubt. But I don't even know what you look like, my friend. So I don't know. Yes, I have been here for 6 months. Spend more time here than back home. But okay, you'll be congrats. Just be safe, okay? I've been telling you to come here to the US. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come there, honestly. I know everywhere is hard. Jamaica is hard. Cayman is hard. Everywhere is hard and expensive. But yes, Cayman, for a single lady to make it here, it's hard. Trust me, it's really hard. And I'm not going to defile myself. I'm not going to sleep around with guys to make it. So if it reach a point where I see I cannot do it on my own, it's best to go home and mess around. Yeah. And for the past 3 months, I haven't been working, so really rough. But I'm surviving though. Blue Mountain, thanks for coming. Yes, there, everywhere is art, trust me. Is it Jamaica Ada? Ah, you think so? It's Jamaica now. You can beg any neighbor stuff, you know. Or you can have a local friend. We have a farm, and you get some assistance from that friend right here. So you have to buy everything you have to buy. So that's why it's hard and it's expensive. When you go like supermarket, right, and you buy your produce and you have it in the fridge, if you don't use it up in a short period of time, just know you have to go through that out. It starts spoil. Only thing I see that stay long in the fridge, and that's the cabbage. And when I really eat the cabbage again because the cabbage too tough and it take long for decay. That cannot good for you. I got you when you're here with me. Just take care of the house and cooking and all the bills. I mean, no, Craig. I love to work. Trust me, I love to work. You know, women love to have their own money. But thank you for the thoughts. I appreciate it. Oh, so what's your plan? I can't see all the message. I have to wait until it goes up. How do I monetize this live? What's your plan? Oh, what's my plan for my platform? Honestly, I do not have any plan at this moment. I'm not really into YouTube like before. I don't really have the passion for it anymore, to be honest. So honestly, for now, I don't really have a plan. Craig, I gain a lot of weight, you know. Lots of weight. But I'm trying to lose it. Let me let you guys see me. Can I catch up this phone? What the hell? I can't see the message. Well, but I know it's in the right place. Those hips. No, and my face. My face is so big. Huge. My daughter is okay. She's at class. She's starting extra lesson today. Um. Oh. I wouldn't deny you to work to make your money, but you won't be working hard and eventually it alone. Okay, Craig, I get you. Unity strength, right? You can't monetize a live after it starts. You add the option to turn it on before you go live. Click the advanced. Okay, YouTube change. If I had my other phone with me, maybe I could go on it and monetize it, right? It's been a while I don't come live. Thank you, Blue Mountain. Really, but I know it's in the right place. Those ifs. So is it that? Oh, yes, I read that already. Let me walk go closer to the sea so that you guys. I don't want them to pick up my bags when I walk some bags. And then go out with Mr. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hot. Oh man, something really wrong. I think I need to. Doesn't look good at all. This is freaking me out. Okay, let me see something. What the hell? Oh my god. I'll monetize the live after. Ah, thank you, Blue Mountain. Okay, Craig. Check me over TikTok. Let me give it to you. Just wanna wet my feet a little. Thank you. My feet, the color, my feet, them seems like they're getting black. I don't know. My feet been hurting me for a while now. But the color doesn't look. See, guys? I don't know if it's my mind or what, but I like how my foot look. Woo! Oh my god! Dating. You have time for that. You don't have time for that because you can't trust people. Especially here in Cayman, we're full of AIDS. Hey, it's best to keep my legs closed. Oh, we're gonna get rain, guys. It's rain. I think I'm going to leave. I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. I haven't eaten from morning because my somebody up on fasting. I try to lose the weight. Well, that's true. You can't. But I have had bad experience, which make me very skeptic. What the hell? I don't know what you said to me. What aren't you dating? Mysterious. Oh, Craig, I said you're to look for me and tick so that I can give you my number there. Hi. I realize I don't. Where the hell am I gonna shout to? Over there. Oh my god. Hold up, guys. What the hell? It's raining. I need to see the doctor for my feet. Anyway, guys, I have to go. It's raining. Alright, so I don't have those social media sites. I'm only here on WhatsApp. But it has a story in life. In a million other words about experience can't tell it to you if you want to spend look. I totally agree with you, but sometimes it's good to give it a break, right? Then again, how do you know if it's the right person to be your husband or your wife? I would like to stay and chat a little longer, but I gotta go. The rain is coming down and I have to walk home. Craig, take care. We will link up, okay? Bye, Blue Mountain. Thanks for coming on my live. I'll see you guys another time. Maybe I could just walk. You guys on top. I need to learn to drive. You believe I cannot drive? Well, that's true. That's true. Honestly, if I know the next relationship that I'll find myself in, I have a daughter, so I have to think about her first. I have to be very skeptic of who I bring around my child. Because you know, people are very evil. Time change. I understand. Anyways, bye guys. How do you end this live now? Are you sure?